if you've got shoulder stuff going on, then I want to show you a lacrosse ball and how you can use it for something called pin and stretch to unglue your tissues. Find a space on the floor where you can also rotate your head. This mat worked really well for me to be face down comfortably. Move around, roll around, scan for some tender spots. So the lacrosse ball is pinning, you are stretching with movement, and then you can stop and smoosh into it if that feels good. Don't overdo the smoosh, but do it in a couple different positions. So your stretch movement is gonna be anywhere from your arm moving to your neck moving to your body moving. The neck is often a culprit with shoulder problems, so don't forget to move it around. Don't forget to find those spots and smush them just a little bit. So keep scanning around, keep moving around to different spots around that collarbone. Don't forget to add the head rotation in there so you can find some good pin and stretch areas. Then take that ball, move it out towards the front of the shoulder. The front of the shoulder is a big culprit for shoulder problems and up in the neck sometimes because of our head forward, arms forward posture all the time, whether you're at a computer, in a car, or working with your hands forward. So find those spots, stretch with movement. Check this range out all the way into your armpit. You might find something spicy like I did where all you do is breathe. And then eventually I was able to add a little pin and stretch motion with that. Lots of tissues all around this shoulder. So be creative, find new positions. Don't forget to add the head and neck movements because that will tell you lots. And then get yourself back to where you eventually started. Try the movements again to see if they feel any better. And then you'll find that this done before a workout as a warm-up is going to help you out, and it's going to help circulate all those things that you might have released.